BOGO isn't just one type of offer. There are multiple ways to structure it, and each one changes how much you make per order. In this video, I'll show you how to build them. To set it up, open Kaching Bundles and click Create Bundle Deal. Then choose Buy X, Get Y. Once it opens, you'll see a default template. If you haven't seen the basics yet, check the quick intro video. Here, we'll keep it simple. Scroll down and open the first bar. This already gives you a working buy one, get one free setup. Now, if you want to turn this into get one at 50% off, just change the percentage from 100 to 50 and update the title. If you want a fixed discount, switch it to amount off. Enter your value, for example, $10, and update the title again. And if you want a fixed price instead, switch the discount type to fixed price. Set your amount, for example, $10, and update the title. Same setup, just different pricing on the second item. Few quick upgrades you can use. Inside each bundle bar, you can add things like images, upsells, gifts, personalization, or highlights to make your offer stronger. If you're selling subscriptions, just enable it in the same setup. And one important thing, you're not limited to a single BOGO structure. You can structure it however you want. You can mix different offers inside one bundle. For example, buy one only, buy one, get the second for $5, and buy two, get one free. To add a regular quantity break, just click Add Bar, choose Quantity Break, and set your quantities and pricing. Everything else works the same. Not sure which one is right for your store? Watch the next video. We break down real BOGO offers on Shopify stores and what actually works.